Hello! I have a doll unboxing and I'm going to show you. So there's going to be doll nudity, so if you're all disturbed by a naked doll, click out because she's not dressed. It's from Aliexpress and it's supposed to be like a Dream Dollfie doll. It's supposed to be this doll. So we shall see. See, these dolls are like a fraction of the real. They're recasts. And so this is what she's going to be. I just got her. And so we'll open her up. I haven't even looked at her yet. Baby open. This one took a while to get here. I think she's like my other one. I think. I'm not sure. We shall find out. They do pretty good over there. It's all different vendors. This one is BJD, whatever that is. I don't know. And here's the pack in. Here's her magic sponge, which I just throw back in there. And she is, yeah, I think she's, oops, there goes her head. There's her packing stuff. Now, I save these boxes because a lot of times I get bored with these dolls and then I sell them and get different ones. So I make a printout of this and write on there and put it back in there so I know what this doll is. So let's take a look at her. Oh, she's really cute. Oh man, she's really, really cute. She's cuter than the other one. This is my other one. I'll lay her down. She's also like a Dream Dollfie. Or they're Dream Dollfie, or this one seems to be a little bit smaller. So you just never know. Or Smart Doll, they're not, a Smart Doll is vinyl. These are resin. But oh, she's nice. You just never know. When we get here, let's see, now there's going to be some nakedness here, so hold on to your hats. Oh yeah, this is pretty good. She's nice. This one, I guess this one has extra large bosoms. Try not to, very large bosoms. And this one has like more regular. But she's pretty good. Wow. Yeah, she's got about the same size feet, I guess, but she's just a little bit shorter. The face is really, really nice. I ordered some anime eyes for her. And I'll stand her up here. Oh, she's super duper cute. So, that's my unboxing for today. I'm expecting some, her hand's the same size? Yeah. I'm expecting some other ones. I don't have the bodies blushed. I can blush the bodies with the airbrush, but I have them do the faces. They only charge like $20 to do that face. And they did a nice job. Very light touch. Boy, I like that. So, that's what I got going for today. Hope everybody's well. I'll see you later. Bye-bye, everybody.